everyone. How are you all? We have completed our first chapter. Hope you have understood the concepts. Now, Adra will explain the concepts based on this lesson.
Hi friends, I am Adira. I am here with a recap of our first chapter, Arithmetic Sequence. Arithmetic sequence is a sequence starting with any number and adding a fixed number repeatedly. If the first term is taken as f and the common difference as d, then the nth term equal to f plus n minus 1 into d. Number of terms equal to last term minus first term by common difference plus 1. Sum of the arithmetic sequence equal to n by 2 into first term plus last term, or n by 2 into 2f plus n minus 1 into d. Thank you.
Thank you, Adira. You presented very well. Today, I am going to discuss about some extra questions which was there in the question papers. The algebraic expression of a sequence is 81 minus 810. What is the 10th term? This is the first question. And second question, what is the sum of first 10 terms of the sequence? Okay. So here in this question, the algebraic expression of a sequence is 81 minus 810. That means the nth term is 81 minus 810. Nth term can be denoted as xn. xn equal to 81 minus 810. Okay. So what is the first one? What is the 10th term? 10th term means here we have to substitute n equal to 10. So x10 equal to 81 minus 8 into 10. So 81 minus 80, which is equal to 1. The 10th term of the sequence is 1. Next question is, what is the sum of first 10 terms of the sequence? So how can we find out the sum? That is Sn equal to n by 2 into x1 plus xn. Here we have to find out the sum of first 10 terms. That means S10. S10 equal to 10 by 2 into x1 plus xn. So here we have to find out x1. So what is xn? xn means the last term of the sequence. So here we have to find out x1. x1 equal to 81 minus 8 into 1, that is 81 minus 8, which is equal to 73. So the first term is 73 and the last term is xn. xn means here, what is xn? That is 10th term. x10 equal to 1. So the sum equal to 10 by 2. 10 by 2 is 5. 5 into x1. 73 plus xn, that is 1. So 5 into 74. So what is the answer? 370. The sum of 10 terms of the sequence is 370. So this question carries 4 marks. Okay. Next problem. Write the half of natural numbers as a sequence. Next one. Write the integers in that sequence in order. What will be the position of the number 23 in the first sequence? So here we can do the answers one by one. Okay. Write the half of natural numbers as a sequence. So what are the natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Okay. Half of natural numbers means the first answer. Half of natural numbers means 1 by 2, 2 by 2, 3 by 2, 4 by 2 and so on. Okay. Next one. Write the integers in that sequence in order. So that is it 1 by 2 an integer? No. So next one, 2 by 2. 2 by 2 means 1. So 1 is an integer. 1. 3 by 2 is an integer? No. So next 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is 2. Next 5 by 2, 6 by 2. So 6 by 2 means 3. So now we got a sequence, that is 1, 2, 3 and so on. Third one, what will be the position of the number 23 in the first sequence? So here we have to find out 23 is in which position. So which is that sequence? 1 by 2, 2 by 2, 3 by 2, 4 by 2 and so on. So here we have to take 23 as the nth term. 23 equal to f plus n minus 1 into d. F, what is the first term? 1 by 2 plus n minus 1 into d. What is the common difference of the sequence? That is 1 by 2. Okay, so 1 by 2 plus n into 1 by 2, 1 by 2 n. Then minus 1 into 1 by 2, that is minus 1 by 2. So plus half and minus half will be cancelled. So the answer is half n. Okay, so 23 equal to 1 by 2 n. So therefore n equal to 23 into 2, which is equal to 46. So 23 is in 46th position. Next problem. Consider an arithmetic sequence 2x plus 1, 4x minus 1, 5x plus 1 and so on. Find x. Next one, write the algebraic expression of the sequence. So here, what is the arithmetic sequence? 2x plus 1, 4x minus 1, 5x plus 1 and so on. So, what is the common difference? Here, the common difference will be same. That is, the difference of these two terms is d, and here also the common difference d. Okay, so we can write the second term 4x minus 1 minus, what is the first term? 2x plus 1 equal to, and third term 5x plus 1 minus, second term 4x minus 1. Okay, 4x minus 1 minus into 2x minus 2x minus into plus 1 minus 1, which is equal to 5x plus 1 minus into 4x minus 4x minus into minus 1 plus 1. Okay, then 4x minus 2x, 2x minus 1 and minus 1, that is minus 2, which is equal to 5x minus 4x, 1x, plus 1 and other plus 1, it is 2. Then we can take the x part on this side. 2x plus x changed to this side, it will be minus x equal to 2. Minus 2 changed to that side, it is plus 2. Okay, 2x minus x, x equal to 2 plus 2, 4. So x equal to 4. Okay, now we got x equal to 4. So we have to find out the arithmetic sequence. The first term, that is 2x plus 1, which is equal to 2 into 4 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. Okay, next second term, 4x minus 1, 4 into 4 minus 1, which is equal to 16 minus 1, which is 15. Okay, then third term is, what is the third term? 5x plus 1. So 5 into 4 plus 1, that is 20 plus 1, which is equal to 21. So the sequence will be 9, 15, 21 and so on. Okay. Next, what is the next sub question? Write the algebraic expression of the sequence. How can we find out algebraic expression? That means nth term. Okay, xn equal to f plus n minus 1 into d. So f, the first term is 9. 9 plus n minus 1 into d. Here what is the common difference? Common difference is 6 equal to 9 plus n into 6, 6n minus 1 into 6, minus 6. So 6n, 9 minus 6 is 3. So the nth term of the sequence is 6n plus 3. Okay. So this question carries 3 marks. Understood? Next problem. Consider an arithmetic sequence whose sum of first 10 terms is 230 and the sum of first 16 terms is 560. Find the first term and the common difference. Okay. So what is given in the question? Sum of first 10 terms. That means S10. S10 equal to 230. Okay, next, and the sum of first 16 terms. So that means S16 equal to 560. Okay, so what is S10? S10 can be written as S10 equal to 10 by 2 into 2f plus 10 minus 1 into d. This you already know. Okay. 10 by 2 into 2f plus 10 minus 1 into d. 10 by 2 means 5 into 2f plus 9d. So what is S10? It is 230. 230 equal to 5 into 2f plus 9d. So 230 divided by 5 equal to 2f plus 9d. 230 by 5 is 46. 46 equal to 2f plus 9d. So this can be written as 2f plus 9d equal to 46. This is equation 1. Okay. Next, S16. S16 how can we write? 16 equal to S16 by 2 into 2f plus 16 minus 1 into d. So S16 is 560. 560 equal to 16 by 2 into 2f plus 16 minus 1 into d. 560 equal to 8 into 2f plus 16 minus 1, 15 d. So 560 divided by 8 equal to 2f plus 15d. 560 by 8 is 70. 70 equal to 2f plus 15d. So this equation can be written as 2f plus 15d equal to 70. This is equation 2. Now we have two equations, that is 2f plus 9d equal to 46 and 2f plus 15d equal to 70. So we have to find out the first term and common difference. So we have to solve these equations. Okay. Equation 1 minus 2. Because here the coefficients are same. 2f minus 2f 0. 9d minus 15d minus 6d equal to 46 minus 70, which is minus 24. Minus 24. So d equal to, here both sides minus are there, so we can cancel. 24 by 6, which is equal to 4. So the common difference equal to 4. then we have to find out first term. So we can substitute the common difference d equal to 4 in equation 1. Okay. So d equal to 4 in equation 1. 2f plus 9 into d, 9 into 4 equal to 46. 2f plus 36 equal to 46. 2f equal to 46 minus 36. So 2f equal to 10. F equal to 10 divided by 2. So the answer is 5. So the first term is 5 and the common difference equal to 4. This is also 3-mark question. Next problem. In an arithmetic sequence, the 7th term is 34 and 15th term is 66. Find the sum of first 20 terms. So here, what we have to find? We have to find out the sum of first 20 terms. So at first we have to find out the first term and the common difference. So in this question, what is not given? 7th term is 34. That means x7 equal to 34 and 15th term is 66. So x15 equal to 66. So from this we can find out the common difference. So that is term difference equal to position difference into common difference. That is 66 minus 34 equal to 15. The 15th term 15 minus 7 into common difference. So 66 minus 34 equal to 32. 32 equal to 8d. So d equal to 32 by 8 which is equal to 4. So the common difference equal to 4. Next we have to find out the first term. First term x1 equal to, so the 7th term is 34. So x7 minus, what is the position difference of 7th and the first term? That is 6. 6 times of its common difference. So x7 is 34 minus 6 into 4. So 34 minus 24 which is equal to 10. So the first term equal to 10 and the common difference equal to 4. Next we have to find out the sum of first 20 terms. How can we find out the sum of first 20 terms? That is s equal to s20 equal to 20 by 2 into 2f plus 20 minus 1 into d. Okay, 20 by 2, 10. 2 into f. The first term is 10 plus 19 into common difference. Common difference is 4. 10 into 20 plus 19 into 4 is 76. Then 10 into 96 which is equal to 960. So sum of 20 terms of the sequence is 960. Okay. I hope you have understood what we have learned today. Let us wind up today's session. See you in the next class. Thank you.